There's not many home improvements that can give you over 100% return on your money. Not even a kitchen or bath remodel can do that. But there is one thing, and building a garage can be expensive, but you certainly don't want to skimp on your garage doors. In today's episode, we're talking all about garage door installation, what garage doors I chose and why, and we'll go into a little bit of detail about the product for today's sponsored video by Clopay Garage Doors. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Detached Garage. Again, today we are talking all things garage doors. I'm sure you have seen them in many of videos that we have put out lately, but I wanted to focus on an installation video after we got the footage back from getting these garage doors installed. Huge shout out to our sponsor, Clopay Garage Doors. I have a design video on their design tool that you can go check that out real quick and then come back. It's a huge help if you are not sure what to do with your garage door, what style you want. Do you want to go modern? Do you want to go more rustic, traditional craftsman or whatnot? So a bunch of different options on their garage design tool, and all you have to do is upload a picture of your garage or even a rendering of your garage, and you can mix and match and choose a bunch of different options before you spend any money. But garage doors are a great investment. So let's jump right into the installation, and we will start with the old garage door. If you've watched any of my videos to the end of the episode, we have an old garage door on our existing garage that kind of gets the glory at the end of all the episodes. And so we will be updating that once we get our siding done to the new garage doors that are going in. So it all started with the certified Clopay garage door dealer, Heartland Overhead Doors. Garage doors can be a big challenge to install, even if you are a DIY person. Garage doors tend to, it could take 8 to 10 hours for you to install them, even if you are pretty DIY savvy. So we went the route of having a Clopay certified installer install our garage doors, and I am so glad we did. Team of two came out, started in the morning, and started taking down the old garage door first. So we wanted everything to match. So you can see here, we did the vertical windows along the side. We did the vertical windows along the side in the old garage as well. And then the middle garage door, we had the two windows along the top just to kind of even it out. So windows on the right side for this one, windows on the left side for the other one, and across the top for the other one. They kind of match the taller windows. These ones are a bit skinnier, but we wanted a little bit more light to come in from the windows, the actual windows, not the garage door windows. So the crew that came out was fantastic. They got to work right away. They kind of set expectations, unloaded the new doors off the truck, and started removing the old garage door and old track. We also went with upgraded jack shaft style openers for all three garage doors. So this door here is a 10-foot high by 12-foot wide. We could have gone a little higher. You can see we do have quite a bit of room up here, but I did want a high lift track, which you can see up here. The other garage door in the other garage, the old garage, we'll call it, that did a slightly higher track as well. And actually, before the guys even came out and got started, the certified Clopay garage dealer came out and measured everything. They measured the opening, the rough opening on these big doors. They measured the opening on the old doors, and they absolutely nailed it. Everything is really in line, tight. So once they got the old garage door off, they started installing these awesome new black tracks. That was one option that I specified because I knew we were going to do the black ceiling. So by tilting the phone up here, you can see the tracks going along, and they really just blend into the ceiling. You can barely see this one back here. I knew we were going to do a black ceiling, and you can get so many different colors of tracks. The guys who are installing the garage door were telling me, we're in Packer country here, so they had somebody do bright yellow tracks with green walls for the Green Bay Packers, which was awesome. But from Clopay, you can actually specify black tracks and this black hardware as well. So the hardware is black and not just the track. It's a small detail, but it goes a long way, is the addition of the black angle iron with the holes in it as well. You order the black tracks from Clopay, but the installer is actually responsible for connecting them to the ceiling and connecting them to the wall. So make sure that your installer will have black angle iron up there to use that to really finish the touch. If you go with black, or if you go with another color, make sure they use that other color as well, so it all blends in seamlessly, or it's highlighted perfect the way you want it to be highlighted. So if you couldn't tell by watching my other videos, and if you couldn't tell by looking around with the spray foam and the rock wool, I am big on insulation and spending the money once to lower your future energy bills and consumption. So Clopay IntelliCore. This door is basically sandwiched foam inside of the steel itself. So we also went for the insulated windows. There's a few window options that you can do, but we went for the insulated windows, which gave it a little additional R value. Obviously, not having any windows would be the best R value, but having these insulated, we wanted as much light coming into the garage as we could, because we knew the ceiling was going to be black and it was going to take a lot of the light reflection bouncing off the ground once we get the lighting up as well. So IntelliCore, I believe it's an R18, and if I'm wrong, I'll flash it on the screen now, but this is something you can pick out of getting an insulated garage door. So once the tracks are installed, the next thing to do is to install the garage door. So each one of these panels will go on top of each other. They start with the bottom one and they slowly go up and up and up. And there is a basically a ridge in the panel that the top one has a V channel, and then the bottom one has a ridge, and so they stack on top of each other. So even when they're tilted and bent, they have a great seal. So once the entire door is in the tracks and all of the wheels are secured in the tracks, the next thing that is installed is this top spring and rod here. So there's a specific amount of times this spring has to be tightened depending on the size of the door, depending on the angle of the tracks, whether they're high lift or not. So each spring is basically tuned to the height and weight of each garage door. So once that's done, then the openers can be hooked up to that rod, and then it's really just cycling from there, tuning in the garage door to make sure when it closes properly and squishes the seal properly, and that the LiftMaster lock locks as well. The other thing, LiftMaster, this is a lock. So when the garage door comes down, this pin pops out to prevent somebody from just, coming over and lifting the door. And so this wheel will stop once it hits this pin. We've got the 9000 series jack shaft style openers, and if you do want the My Q, you need to have this light installed, because in order to open it from your phone, or close it from your phone more specifically, you need to have those lights installed so that it sends a warning signal and it flashes before the door will come down. So I'll give you a quick tour right now of kind of going through the garage, showing you the garage doors. Again, we're going to do a better shot of this from the outside once we get siding done on the house. But a huge shout out to Clopay Garage Doors who absolutely killed it with the suggestions with the black hardware, the IntelliCore doors, and the windows, and giving our house a much more modern look than these previous garage doors. Man, those openers and garage door combination are so quiet and so nice. Thank you again to Clopay for sponsoring this episode. If you have any questions at all about the design process, any suggestions on the options for your garage door or anything like that, please put them in the comments below. We absolutely transformed the look of this house and garage by going with these doors. It is an awesome process and money well spent because you get an actual return on your investment compared to other home upgrades. Thank you again for watching Detached Garage, and stay tuned for some of the next episodes where we start siding the house and you can see these garage doors from the outside.